group
guys.
was wanted a more tame ride. So, you know, I tried to tone it down a notch. So you guys can let me know if it's too exciting or not exciting enough, and we can.
We're the
Oh, you're
adventurous one.
exciting. Cool. All right then. Awesome.
Run faster.
I hit them and they're gonna panic. Especially once they told them I've only rolled it once, so. They have roll bars for a reason, you know what I mean?
Oh boy! Wow. Feel like Indiana Jones here.
This is the part that's paved, okay? I mean,
Oh my gosh, really?
this is nothing.
Oh boy, here we go. This is kind of like the bike camera away. Oh my god. Holy it's here. Wow. Oh, wow. Here we go.
Believe it or not, it's safer here.
Anna, you're like dragging up the whole. Can you imagine? Look at all these. This is the best ride I ever been into. This is like better like a roller coaster ride. Yeah, just put what was that? Oh my god. Really?
The really exciting part is to keep going straight. But, you know, we got this cut to make it a little bit less safe.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you guys' reactions are like...
Usually about this point, people start saying to me, you know, if anything happened to us out here, we'd never be found. You've been driven.
Should I tell you there was a green spider?
Coming back?